following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Door County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stevenson to 10 miles south of Marinette to 9 miles northwest of Bayshore Park, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Egg Harbor around 2 p.m. Jacksonport around 2:05 p.m. Sturgeon Bay around 2:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Brussels, Peninsula Center, Fish Creek, Peninsula State Park, Valmy, Ellison Bay, Whitefish Bay, Rock Island State Park, Shoemaker Point, and Carlsville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following county: Door,